Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Roblox account on an Android phone. The process is very simple, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Roblox. Now tap on Install and wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, then tap on Open. You will now see the Roblox welcome screen. Then tap on Create Account. Now select your date of birth. Enter a username that is appropriate for Roblox. Then select your gender and tap Continue. Now create a strong password of at least 8 characters. After filling in all the information, you can add an email for extra privacy. Roblox may ask you to complete a verification to confirm you're not a robot. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. That's it. Your Roblox account has been successfully created. You can now explore games, customize your avatar, and start playing. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.